Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are reviewing a solar charger. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you get. So right away, it's packaged very nicely. Get a nice little user manual. USB charging cable for charging this if you don't want to use it for solar or for other devices as well. Oh wow, so that is really nice. That is a really nice power bank. It's got a really nice rugged look. You can also put in a strap right through here. This is really nice. So on the back here, as you guys have noticed, you can use these for charging different devices. So it's built-in cables already. So that's out, and then this is in. So you can use this to charge the device as well. It's a built-in cable. Here's the solar panel. We see it comes with 2 lights, and to operate those lights, it should be right here. Press and hold the power button, and you have different modes. Right here it shows you, as you can see the green, that means it's actually collecting and charging. So even though this is not outside, our lights, it's actually pulling power from our lights. So I'll show you. If we cover that, you can see the green goes away. We open it up, the green comes back. See? Let's get it closer to the light here. Very nice. This is actually one of my most favorite power bank designs that I've seen. Really nice rugged design look. The solar panel is nice and sleek. Everything blends really nice. So I'm super impressed with that. So let's go ahead and charge our GoPro. GoPro is almost dead, 1% left. Go ahead, take this end, plug it right in, and now we are charging our GoPro. But yeah, you can charge all different devices with this. Very nice. By the way guys, if you wanted to manually access the USB ports, right over in here. So you have USB out, and then you also have an in and out. So Type-C that works as an in and also an out port. Guys, I am being very honest with you. This is my favorite power bank. Just the design, me personally, I love it. It is really nice. So definitely my favorite designed power bank to date, and I've reviewed probably 30-40 of these. Absolutely love it. And silly me, my friends, this is a 30,000 mAh power bank. Battery capacity 3.7 volts, output 5 volts, 3 amps, input 5 volts, 3 amps. You also have other outputs, which are 5 volts and 2.4 amps, and then in 5 volts, 2 amps. The solar panel pulls in 1.9 watts. And you also have an out 5, which is 5 volts, 2.1 amps.